Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the further notification. Now, terms versus permanent life insurance. Term life insurance differ from permanent life insurance in several ways, but tends to best meet the needs of most of the people looking for affordable life insurance coverage. The term life insurance is only less for the set of the period's time and the pays or death benefits should the policyholder die before the term has expired. Permanent life insurance is in effect as long as the policyholder pays the premium. Another critical difference involves premiums terms. Life is generally much less expensive than permanent life because it does not involve building cash value. Before you apply for a life insurance, you should analyze your financial situation and determine how much money would be required to maintain your beneficiary standards of the living to or meet the needs of our which you are purchasing a policy. Also consider how long you will need to coverage for. For example, if you are primary character and have children 2 and 4 years old, you would want to enough insurance to cover your responsibilities until your children are grown up and able to support themselves. You might research the cost of the hiring an nanny and a housekeeper keeper are using commercial child care and cleaning services. Then perhaps add money for education, including any outstanding mortgage and the retirement needs for your suppose in your life insurance calculation, especially if the suppose earns significantly or less a stay at home add up but these costs would be over the next 16 or 50 years. Add more for information and that's death benefit you might want to buy if you can afford it. Tip: burial or financial expenses. Insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that has small death benefits. Despite the names, beneficiaries can use the death benefit as they wish. What affects your life insurance premiums and the costs? Many factors can affect the cost. Life insurance premiums can certain things may be beyond your control, but other criteria can be managed to permanently bring down the cost before even after applying. Your health and age are the most important factors that determine cost. So buying life insurance as soon as you need to it is often the best course of the action. After being approved for an insurance policy, if your health has improved and you have made positive lifestyle changes, you can request to be considered for the change in risk class. Even if it is found that you are in poorer health than at the initial underwriting, your premiums will not go up. If you are found to be in better health, then your premium may decrease. You may also be able to buy additional coverage at a lower rate than you initially did. Life insurance buying guide. Step 1. Determine how much you need. Think think about what express would need to be covered in the event your death. Things like mortgage, college, tuition, and other debits. Not to mention frontal expenses. Plus, income replacement is a major factor if you suppose or loved ones need cash flow and are not able to provide it on their own. There are helpful tools online to calculate the lump sum that can satisfy any potential expenses that you do need to coverage. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.